Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a carousel kind of photo on Canva. So for instance, you have this. I just put like 3 images in the front and 2 at the back here, and I'm just going to duplicate the page and I'm just going to move all the pictures like to the right by like rotating them. So this one goes here, this one goes here. You get the gist. So I'm just going to place that one there, this one over here, and then this one over here, this one over here. What photo did I use for that one? And this one over here, oven over here. And you're just going to do this multiple times. So again, this one here, and then this one here, this one here, whoops, and then this one here, and then this one here. I'll just do this much, but you'll need to do all of them. Then you're going to add in the video transition. You're going to select match and move, and you're going to apply it to all of it so it looks like that. You can also adjust the duration here to make it a little bit shorter if you'd like to. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.